Next we go the division of a fraction. Okay. Before that, you must learn what is the reciprocal of fraction. And what is the reciprocal of fraction? Then we know the reciprocal of the fraction. For example, how to write the reciprocal of 3 by 5. Yes, for to write the reciprocal of 3 by 5, we do like this. We just interchange the numerator as denominator and the denominator as numerator. Correct. So the 3 by 5, the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is, yes, we write like this, 5 by 3 by 5. The reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. And the reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. Correct. We know that how to write the reciprocal. We just interchange the numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. Correct. Then my question, why we say these two are reciprocal? Why we say these two are reciprocal? Because if we multiply these two, 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. Okay, what is 3 by 5 into 5 by 3? 3 into 5, correct? We multiply the numerator. 3 into 5 is equal to 15 by 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? That's also 15. 15 by 15 is equal to 1. That means 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. What we got it? We got it, the result is 1. That is why we saying 3 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5 by 3 or 5 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 5. Okay. Then what is the reciprocal of 7 by 8? There is no doubt what is the reciprocal of 7 by 8. Yes, 8 by 7. The reciprocal of 7 by 8 is 8 by 7. അല്ലേ എന്താണ് മക്കളെ 7 by 8ന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 8 by 7 ആണ്. നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ എഴുതുക? നമ്മൾ പറയും തല തിരിച്ചിട്ടത് അല്ലേ, തിരിച്ചിട്ടത് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ എടുത്തിട്ട് ആടെ ഇടും, ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ കൊടുക്കും, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ എടുത്തിട്ട് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ കൊടുക്കും. 7 by 8ന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ആണ് ഇത് 8 by 7. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത് റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ആകുന്നത്? Why these two are reciprocal? Because if you multiply 7 by 8 and 8 by 7, 7 by 8 into 8 by 7, what is the result? Yes, 7 into 8 by 8 into 7, correct, is equal to 7 into 8 is 56 by 8 into 7 is also 56. 56 divided by 56 is 1. So if we multiply these two numbers, then if you get the result is 1, we conclude these two are reciprocal. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് രണ്ട് നമ്പർ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ആണോ അല്ലയോ നോക്കുന്നത്? ആ രണ്ട് നമ്പർ തമ്മിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കും? മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കും. ആ രണ്ട് നമ്പറും തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ റിസൾട്ട് 1 കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇത് ഒന്ന് മറ്റേതിൻ്റെ എന്തായിരിക്കും? റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ആയിരിക്കും. ക്ലിയർ? സോ വി ജനറലൈസ് ദ ഐഡിയ ഓഫ് റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called the reciprocal of each other. Okay? The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called the reciprocal of each other. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നോൺ സീറോ, സീറോ അല്ലാത്ത ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് നമ്പർ എടുത്തിട്ട് പരസ്പരം മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 1 ആണ് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുന്നതെങ്കിൽ അതിലൊന്നിനെ മറ്റേതിൻ്റെ എന്തെന്ന് വിളിക്കും? റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. Clear? That is an idea to verify is a reciprocal or not. You just multiply each other. If you get the result is 1, then they are reciprocals. Otherwise, no. Clear? I think you got it. We discussed about the multiplication of fraction. The next week goes the division of fraction. Okay? In that, first we are discussing the division of fraction by fraction. Okay? Division of fraction by fraction. Then first example we are discussing about 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 8. Okay, here we need to divide 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. That one is very easy. Then here this one, the first number is called a dividend, the second number is called a divisor. Okay, here this one is a dividend, this is a divisor. Okay, or the first fraction or the second fraction, that we very easily we say like that. But the 3 by 4, what we call 3 by 4 is a dividend and the second number is a divisor. So how to we divide the two fractions? That is an idea. It's very easy idea. Now we know the idea of reciprocal. Am I correct? So Here, if we need to divide the two fractions, then what is the next steps? The next step is very easy, my dears. Listen, what is that? If we need to divide the two fractions, then for that we doing like this. We multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of divisor. Okay. If we need to divide the two fractions, what is the steps? For that, okay, divide ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? We multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of divisor. എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? ഡിവിഡൻഡിന് ഡിവൈസറിന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രാക്ഷന് സെക്കൻഡ് ഫ്രാക്ഷന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. രണ്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് പകരം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ, what is the dividend? First, there is no change in the first fraction, 3/4 into reciprocal of divisor. Okay, reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the reciprocal of 5/8? Yes, just opposite, correct? That's 8/5. Now we know how to multiply this, correct? How to multiply is equal to, yes, we multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. 3 into 8 by 4 into 5, correct? Then is equal to 3 into 8, 24 by 20. So here, what is the answer of 3/4 divided by 5/8? 3/4 divided by 5/8 is equal to 24/20. Then this one is possible to reduce by 4. Then what do you get? 6/5. So the answer is 6/5. Okay. Then how do we do this one? What is the dividend here? Here the dividend is 8/3. Divisor is 11/9. So what is an idea? To divide 8/3 divided by 11/9, we multiply the first fraction, means a dividend, by the reciprocal of divisor. ആദ്യത്തെ ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഫ്രാക്ഷന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ കൊണ്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. Then is equal to 8/3 divided by 11/9 is equal to 8/3. There is no change in the first fraction. There is no change. 8/3 into reciprocal of second. What is the reciprocal of second one? 9/11 is equal to, what do you get? 8 into 9 by 3 into 11. Okay. Then is equal to 72/33. Then now we got it, the idea like this. Then very easily is possible to write the answer. Just listen. 3/4 divided by 5/8. For getting the answer, what are we multiply? 3 into 8 by 4 into 5. Correct? That is 3 into 8 by 4 into 5. Okay. We doing one more question, one more example. Here we need to divide two mixed fraction. 2 1/5 divided by 3 2/7. Then in any question we got it the mixed fraction. What is the first idea? It's a multiplication or division. The first idea is to convert the mixed fraction in the form of improper. Okay, here we need to convert the both dividend and divisor. The both we need to convert in the form of improper. Okay, sometimes it's given only one side, sometimes. Okay, if we got it like this, we convert both in the case of improper. So we started like this. 2 1/5 divided by 3 2/7 is equal to, what we do? We convert. How to convert? 2 into 5 plus 1/5 divided by, there is no change, divided by, convert the second. How to? 3 into 7 plus 2/7. Then is equal to 2 into 5 10. 10 plus 1 11/5 divided by 3 into 7. What is 3 into 7? 21 plus 2 23/7. Correct? Then here we are dividing two fraction. What is next? Then we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of second fraction. Correct? So what is next? Is equal to 11/5 into the reciprocal of 23/7. What is the reciprocal of 23/7? That one is 7/23 is equal to, what is next? 11 into 7 by 5 into 23. 11 into 7. What is 11 into 7? 77. Then 5 into 23 is 115. 115. So what is the answer of 2? 1 by 5 divided by 3, 2 by 7. That one is 27 by 115. So I think you got the idea how to multiply the two fraction. What is an idea? The idea is if A, B, general idea that A by B and C by D are any two fractions, A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C is equal to A into D by B into C. Correct? Then what is the answer or what is the general idea of the multiplication of two fractions? A by B and C by D are any two fractions. If we divide the two fractions A by B and C by D, what is an idea? We multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of second. A by B into D by C is equal to A into D by B into C. If we get the idea directly like this, then it's also correct. Okay, then we reduce the steps like this. A by B divided by C by D is equal to A into D by B into C. A into D by B into C. Clear? So in the case of mixed fraction, there is no direct ones. The first steps to convert in the form of improper. Clear? I think you got it how to multiply how to divide the two fractions. Okay? The next idea, division of whole number by a fraction. ഒരു ഹോൾ നമ്പറിനെ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കൊണ്ട് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്നാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. So idea is very easy. Okay? Bilism, what is an idea? The first question is 7 divided by 3 by 2. 7 divided by 3 by 2. The second question is 10 divided by 6 by 11. Okay. Now we know the idea only to divide two fractions. അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ അറിയുന്ന ഐഡിയ എന്താണ് മക്കളെ? രണ്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. For that we do in like this. The first question 7 divided by 3 by 2. We don't know now how to divide a whole number by fraction. ഒരു whole numberനെ fraction കൊണ്ട് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്ന് നമുക്ക് അറിയില്ല. So we know now how to divide two fraction. Correct? For that we make the 7 as in the form of fraction. 7 നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റും? Fraction ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റും. How? The 7 by 1. So we make the first one as in the form of fraction 7 by 1 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, then is equal to, what is the next? We multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of second. Then 7 by 1 into 2 by 3 is equal to 7 into 2 by 1 into 3 is equal to 7 into 2, 14 by 3. Okay, 14 by 3. Then how to write? Then I writing one more step here. 7 into 2. Then you get later. Okay, why I write this one? 1 into 3 is 3. 7 into 2 by 3. 7 into 2 by 3. That one is 14 by 3. Okay. Here, what is next? Is equal to how to write? 10 divided by 6 by 11 is equal to, what is the first step? To make the 10 as in the form of fraction. Correct? 10 by 1 divided by 6 by 11. Then is equal to 10 by 1 into reciprocal of second. That one is 11 by 6. 10 into 11 by 1 into 6. Okay, I just additionally writing one more step here. 10 into 11. That is not required to our answer. For our answer, 10 into 11 by 6. Then what is this? 10 into 11 is 110. by 6. 110 by 6. Now we got the answer 110 by 6 in the second and 14 by 3 in the first. Then listen my dears, how do we get the answer directly? What is the idea behind this? Here 7 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, then how do we get 14 by 3? Then we convert the first one in the form of fraction and we multiply, and last we got it correct. Then how do we write directly the answer? Then listen, how do we reach the step, the answer 14 by 3? 7 into 2 by 1 into 3. What is 1 into 3? That is 3. Correct? Then 7 divided by 3 by 2 is 7 into 2 by 3. ശരിക്കും നോക്കാം മക്കളെ, നമുക്ക് ഈ 7/2 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 7 ഇൻറ്റു 2/3 14/3 എന്ന ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയത് നമുക്ക് വളരെ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതാം. ഒരു ഹോൾ നമ്പറിനെ ഒരു ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത് നോക്കിക്കോ. 7 ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 3/2 ആണ് അല്ലേ. 7 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഹോൾ നമ്പറിനെ 3/2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, 14/3 കിട്ടാൻ ശരിക്കും നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് 7നെ ഏതുകൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു, ഇതിന്റെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു അല്ലെ. 7 ഇൻറ്റു 2 ബൈ 3 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 7 ഹോൾ നമ്പറിനെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ബൈ എന്ത് ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നു, ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ഇവിടെ നോക്കിക്കോ, ഈ 10 divided by 6 by 11, we got his answer is 110 by 6. Then how do we get, how do we read this one? This one is 10 into 11, 10 into 11 by 6, 10 into 11 by 6. That whole number into denominator by 6 is an answer. Number by whole number into denominator by numerator is an answer. You got it. That means if the question like this, divided by 5 by 8, well, how do we write the answer directly? This follow these steps is correct. Okay, then how is possible to write the answer directly? That one is the whole number into what, 8 into denominator by 3 into denominator by numerator. 3 into 8 4 is an answer of 3 divided by 5 by 8. Then no required to follow this much steps, is possible to write the answer directly. It's a very important idea. If a divide a whole number by a fraction, then how to write the answer? Whole number into denominator of fraction by numerator of fraction. Clear? So we generalize the idea. Here we generalize the idea like this. Let a be any whole number and c by d is any fraction. Then a divided by c by d is equal to a into d by c. Okay, a, the whole number divided by fraction, a divided by c by d is equal to a into d by c. Then how to write the answer of this question, the examples. First one, 21 divided by 7 by 3. Then how do we start? 21 divided by 7 by 3 is equal to, here is a is 21, c is 7, d is 3. Then how to write? A into d means 21 into 3 by 7 is equal to, 21 into 3 is 63 by 7. 63 by 7 is 9. Okay, then here how to write the 3 divided by 1, 3 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Then we know first to convert in the form of improper. Then how to write? Then 3 divided by 1, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 divided by, first to convert in the form of improper. How to? 1 into 5 plus 3 by 5. Then is equal to 3 divided by 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 5. Next, how to write? Then now this one in the form of a divided by c by d. A divided by c by d is equal to a into d by c. A into d means 3 into 5 is equal to 3 into 5 by 8 is equal to 15 by 8. Okay, 15 by 8. The third example, how to write 20 divided by 13 by 15? Yes, 20 divided by 13 by 15 is equal to 20 into, what is 20 into? 15 by 13. 20 into 15 is 300 by 30. Okay, so I think you got it the idea how to multiply, how to divide the whole number by a fraction. ഒരു whole numberനെ fraction കൊണ്ട് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്ന് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാകും. Next, we are discussing the idea how to divide a fraction by a whole number. Now we know the idea how to divide two fractions. How to divide a whole number by fraction. ഒരു whole numberനെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് fraction കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്ന് നമുക്കറിയാം. The next we discussing the idea how to divide a fraction by whole number. ഒരു ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് whole number കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. In this case also, before to generalizing the idea, we follow how to divide two fractions. Okay. Here 3 by 7 divided by 9. 3 by 7 divided by 9. Then first, as usual, we make the second number add in the form of fraction. Okay. Then first we make the second number, that means a divisor in the form of fraction. Then 3 by 7 divided by 9 is equal to 3 by 7 divided by 9 by 1. Okay, I make the whole number first in the form of fraction. So now we know how to divide two fractions. Now the first one is fraction, second one is also fraction. Then what is the steps? S is equal to 3 by 7 into 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is equal to 3 into 1 by 7 into 9 is equal to, okay, then actually what is 3 into 1? 3 into 1 is 3. 3 by 45. Correct? But we do it like this. 3 into 1, 3 by 7 into 9. Okay? Then 3 by 7 divided by 9 by 1 is equal to 3 by 7 into reciprocal of second fraction, that is 1 by 9. Then we multiply the numerator of 3 into 1 by 7 into 9. 3 into 1 is 3 by 7. 3 into 1 by 7 into 9 is equal to 3 into 1 is 3 by 7 into 9 is 63. Okay, I just simply writing the one step like this here. That is equal to 3 into 1, 3 by 7 into 9. Okay, I just simply to write 3 by 7 into 9. Then we divide into fraction. 3 by 7 divided by 9 by 1. We multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of second, that is 1 by 9. Then we multiply the numerator 3 into 1 by 7 into 9 denominator. Correct? 3 into 1, 3, 7 into 9, 63. Okay, the next 8 by 9 divided by 5. What is 8 by 9 divided by 5? Then we make the first one, the second, the whole number in the form of fraction first. 5 is equal to 8 by 9 divided by 5 by 1. Okay, then is equal to, we multiply the dividend, the first fraction by, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of second. What is the reciprocal of second? That one is 1 by 5 is equal to 8 into 1 by 9 into 5 is equal to 8 by 9 into 5 is 45. So I simply to write one step like here in the bracket. 8 into 1, 8 by 9 into 5. Okay, then we listen everyone. How do we get this result? What is an idea to getting the result? 3 by 7 divided by 9. The fraction divided by whole number. What do you get the answer? The answer is 3 by 63. Then how do we get the result? Then it's an idea, one method to find the answer, correct? It's a one method to find the answer. Then, is any chance to get the answer is direct? Yes, we will get. How to? Then listen, how do we find this answer? 3 by 7 divided by 9 is equal to 3. How do we get 3? This 3, what is this 3? This 3 is the numerator, correct? Then numerator by, what is 63? 63 is the product of denominator and whole number, 7 into 9. So how do we do the work directly? 3 by 7 divided by 9 is equal to 3 by 7 into 9. The 8 by 9 divided by 5. The answer is 8 by 45, correct? That means 8. That is numerator. By 45. How to get 45? 9 into 5. So 8 by 9 divided 5 is 8 by 9 into 5. Okay? അങ്ങനെ മക്കളെ ഡയറക്റ്റ് എഴുതുക. ഒരു ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ ഹോൾ നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ അതേപോലെ എഴുതുക. 8 by 9 into 5. Okay? Then we not need to write this much steps. Then you get the answer directly. Okay? Then what is an idea? We generalize the idea like this. Generalize the idea. Let a by b is any fraction and c be any whole number. Then a by b divided by c is equal to a by b into c. A by b divided by c is equal to a by b into c. Okay? Clear? A by b is any fraction and c be any whole number, then a by b divided by c is equal to a by b into c. What is the difference of the first and second? The difference is like this. The first we are writing the idea like this. A divided by b by c is equal to a into c. Then we multiply in the numerator. A into c by, okay, a into c by b. That is whole number divided by fraction is a into c by b. If we divide fraction by a whole number, what is the changes? A by b into c. Okay, ഇതാണ് രണ്ട് തമ്മിലുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം. മക്കളെ ശരിക്കും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ ഹോൾ നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഹോൾ നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ എവിടെയാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഹോൾ നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, അല്ല ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കൊണ്ട് ഹോൾ നമ്പറിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കൊണ്ട് ഹോൾ നമ്പറിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഹോൾ നമ്പർ എവിടെയാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലാണ് വരുന്നത്. മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലാണ്. ഓക്കെ, എ ഇൻറ്റു സി ബൈ ബി. ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ കൊണ്ടല്ല, ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ, ആൻസറിന്റെ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് വരുന്നത്. എന്താണ്? എ ബൈ ബി ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ സി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു, ഇതിന്റെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ എന്നല്ല പറയുന്നത്, ആൻസറിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എ ബൈ ബി ഇൻറ്റു സി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലാണ് എന്തുകൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? സി കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ എ ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ ബി ബൈ സി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എ ഇൻറ്റു സി വരുന്നത് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലാണ്. എ ഇൻറ്റു സി ബൈ ബി. ഓക്കെ, ദ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഈസ് കെയിം ഇൻ ദ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഇൻ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ് and denominator is numerator as the denominator. Here the numerator is same and we multiply in the denominator. Okay, these are the two cases. First one is we divide a whole number by fraction, and the second one we are dividing a fraction by a whole number. Okay, I think you got it, this difference, and you got the idea also. Here we are discussing the two examples. We are dividing a fraction by a whole number. Okay, fraction by a whole number. Then the first one is a mixed fraction, so we know first step to convert in the form of improper. Okay, then how to write? Then the first steps, 2 1 by 3 divided by 5 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 5. Then 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3 divided by 5. That is A by B divided by C. What is A by B divided by C? A by B divided by C is equal to A by B into C. 7 by 3 into 5. What is 7 by 3 into 5? 7 by 15. So answer is 7 by 15. If you are not able to write this step directly, just make this one as in the form of fraction. Okay, that's also correct. ഇതിങ്ങനെ നേരിട്ട് എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടി ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യം എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, 5/1 എന്നാക്കിയിട്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആക്കിയിട്ട് ചെയ്താലും മതി. Okay, then the answer is 7 by 15. Then what is the answer of second one? 7 by 12 divided by 6 is equal to, yes, 7 by 12 into 6. 7 by A by B divided by C is equal to A by B into C. 7 by 12 into 6. That is equal to 7 by 12 into 6 is 72. So answer is 7 by 72. Okay. Then don't forget the two rules. The first one is a whole number divided by fraction A divided by BC is equal to A into C by B. A into C divided by B. Then A by B divided by C is equal to A by B into C. A by B into C. ഓക്കെ, ഈ രണ്ട് റൂളും മറന്നു പോകരുത്, വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്, എല്ലാ കാലത്തും ആവശ്യമുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, എവിടെയൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഫോം ഒരു ഹോൾ നമ്പറും ഫ്രാക്ഷനും തമ്മിലുള്ള മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും ഡിവിഷനും ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടോ അവിടെയൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഡിവിഷൻ വരുന്ന എല്ലാ കേസിലും നമുക്കിത് ആവശ്യമുള്ളതാണ്. യു ഗോട്ട് ദ ഐഡിയ ഓഫ് how to divide two fraction, how to divide a whole number by a fraction, and how to divide a fraction by a whole number.